So basically a month ago, engines, they wouldn't start straight away, at least one of them. The other one was more or less okay. It started getting like this gradually. I had to accelerate, really hit the crank so it would start, and got to a stage I said, okay, let's get a mechanic to have a look at it. I called the mechanic, the local one. He did a compression test on the cylinders. All 3 cylinders had no compression. The other one of the cylinders, okay. My mechanic did put the compression stabilizer inside the spark plugs. Tilt the engine up, you put that liquid. What does that do is to take the carbonization that sticks to the valves and to the pistons and helps take it away. But 24 hours with that liquid, compression was still the same. The carbonization of the valves, which was the first simple thing we thought about it. So what happened? What can cause this? I mean, the engines are 900 hours. I bought them brand new. I've always done all the work on them. They never gave me any major problems, just bits and bobs. So I contacted Suzuki. They were quite quick actually to reply to my message. I went through Facebook and they were quite quick. Straight away they started inquiring about what happened. I had a few phone calls from mechanics in South Africa, especially the dealer I bought it from. That was the first question actually. They asked, has the boat been still for too long? Has the engine's been still for too long? I said no, I use them at least twice, 3 times a month or more. Basically, they didn't know what was wrong. No excuse to have a problem like this. Then I found out there's a dealer. They told me straight away they wouldn't cover with warranty because it's 3 years. I managed to get them to come and see the engines. They dismantled the engines yesterday. Just a power head, to be honest. I'm just waiting to hear the news really. Well, thanks for watching guys. I'll keep you updated.